Duncan, so we're standing in front of an unusual beast as far as military vehicles in New Zealand are concerned.
Yeah.
What is it?
It's an Allis Chalmers. It's somewhere between 1941 and 1946. We can't identify the serial numbers, but they built them, a whole run of them for 10 years, and they didn't change much at all except the horsepower of the motor went up 3 horsepower. That's the only difference. So, yeah.
So basically your everyday grader?
Basically everyday grader, yes.
So presumably used by the construction company or battalions or regiment or whatever they were.
Would have been, yes, constructing airfields and roads when they had gravel up in the islands and all that. So, you know, they're a very essential part.
So have you got any idea of the history of this particular machine? I mean, how long have you had it? Where did it come from?
We bought it from George Wallace, actually,
Okay.
from Luggett here just virtually 10 years ago, and we put it into company use, and only came out last year. So, yeah, still good, reliable machine. So, yeah.
Right.
Yep.
So you don't have any idea where, I mean, was it imported into New Zealand specifically?
Oh, it may have come into New Zealand brand new, I would imagine, so, with a lot of that stuff. So, and,
well have been some of the dam projects.
yeah, or a county grader. I don't know yet, but I hope to find out more of that information shortly. Yeah, yeah.
Ideally, you've had a couple of other vehicles here this weekend as well.
Yes.
Tell me a little bit about those.
Well, we've had the Dodge Command car, which is just sitting out to the right here, and it's a 1942, brought in by the American forces when they came and helped us out here many years ago, and it's one of the original 9 or 8 or 9 of them, yeah. And it's a Jeep, 1944 Jeep.
So, is this your entire collection, or is there something bigger?
Unfortunately, well, luckily enough, there's quite a few others, but there's probably 26 vehicles in the collection. So yeah.
Okay. So where are you based?
In Te Anau.
In Te Anau.
Yep.
And it's publicly accessible.
Yes, by appointment only though. Yep.
Okay.
Just because we got to be there virtually more than anything. So yeah. Right. Yep.
And how have you found the weekend?
Oh, fantastic. Yep, that was good. Laid back from my point of view. So yeah, it's good.
So something this size. Do you actually drive it from Te Anau to Wanaka, or do you?
No, lucky you got a transporter out there. Command car goes on the front, and this goes on the back. So yeah, ready to
major drama.
No, I'm lucky enough to have that. Yeah.
So any plans at the moment to extend your collection any further?
Oh, there's always something, but sometimes you don't know what's coming up. The latest project is a long-range desert group truck, which will take another year or two to finish, but it's puttering away on the winters more than anything. So yeah. So it's...
and presumably, if people do want to get in touch, they can email you for an
yes,
appointment.
Yep.
Do you have a website?
Yep, we have a website. Yes, just Fiordland Military Museum. Just Google that. It'll go to our Facebook page, and contact can be made there. Yeah.
Great. Thank you very much.
Good. Good to meet you.